The TriPlus 300HS maintenance includes routine system check and the maintenance as needed. In this video session, we like to demonstrate two maintenances. Replacing the sampling needle. Here are a couple of things you must do before replacing the sampling needle. Loosen the screws as showing on the side of the sampling unit cover. Open the cover and push the cover back to having enough space for removing the manifold box. After loosening the screws holding the manifold box, remove the box. Remove the aluminum needle holder by loosening the two screws using T10 screwdriver. Use two adjustable wrenches to loosen the tube fitting and move tubing aside first. Then remove the needle connector. Finally, extract the needle from manifold. Place a new needle by pushing it from the upper part, then reassemble the needle connector and tighten it using wrench. Reconnect tubing into needle connector and make sure it is not over-tightening. Put the aluminum holder back and tighten the two screws. Then put the cover back and lock it by tightening the screws. Finally, cover the sampling unit. Please perform the list of steps showing on the screen before using the system.